If you're looking to streamline your internal IT support, knowing how to use help desk tools effectively is crucial. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage these tools to optimize your workflow and make IT support seamless for your team. First, let's talk about ticket management. Help desk tools are all about efficiently tracking and resolving IT issues. When a team member submits a request, it generates a ticket, allowing you to track the issue from start to finish. Instead of juggling spreadsheets or emails, you'll have everything in one place. You can assign tickets to the right IT personnel, prioritize them, and set deadlines to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. But that's just the beginning. Next, you'll want to set up automated responses. Help desk tools can send acknowledgement emails to users when their ticket is received, and even offer basic troubleshooting steps automatically based on the issue category. This helps save time for both the user and the IT team. You can also set up automated escalation procedures to ensure critical issues are handled promptly, keeping things running smoothly. Now let's dive into knowledge management. A great help desk tool allows you to create and maintain a knowledge base. This is essential for internal IT support, because it empowers your team to solve common issues on their own, without always needing to contact support. You can build guides, FAQs, and troubleshooting steps that your employees can access anytime. Over time, this cuts down on repetitive requests and frees up your IT team to handle more complex issues. Another feature that's vital is reporting and analytics. Help desk tools provide you with detailed insights into ticket volume, resolution time, and satisfaction ratings. This data allows you to spot trends, improve your processes, and identify any bottlenecks in your IT support system. If you notice a particular issue popping up frequently, you can tackle it proactively and reduce future tickets on the same topic. The collaboration feature is something you don't want to overlook either. With a good help desk tool, IT teams can work together more effectively. They can tag each other on tickets, leave notes for team members, and escalate issues quickly. This ensures that the right person is always handling the right task, reducing errors and improving response times. Now, if you're wondering which software will work best for these tasks, I've tried several of the most popular options, and I've got a recommendation for you. The software we're using in this tutorial is one I've personally tested and found incredibly effective. It's easy to use, and it covers all the features I've mentioned: ticket management, automation, knowledge base, reporting, and team collaboration. If you want to follow along with the tutorial and explore these features in real time, you can grab an exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To wrap up, let me leave you with a key takeaway. Using help desk tools for internal IT support isn't just about tracking tickets. It's about creating an efficient, automated, and collaborative system that makes IT support faster and more effective. Remember, you can enhance your workflow with automated responses, a well-organized knowledge base, and insightful reporting. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial. Check the link in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching.